Wow, this is a long-awaited video. Got the Cobra and the YXZ. Shoot, we even got the truck. Maybe we'll throw that in the mix. We're gonna go see which one's faster. I've had this question for a long time of whether it's Cobra or YXZ. I really have no idea. I know the Cobra will back half the YXZ any day of the week. But out the hole, I mean, the Cobra just spins. The YXZ is just gonna hook and book, I think, with the 32s. It's definitely slower with the 32s. If I had like some 28s like I used to, that thing was nasty on the street with 28s. We're trying to like drive around, scope out a spot to do this. The first spot was a bust. There's literally a sheriff sitting in the warehouses, just he knows what's up. We're gonna go to the second location, scope it out. Hopefully we can kind of hide in a place and park. We're gonna run out of fuel in the Cobra before we even set this race up though. I expect to be driving around all day. Dylan's getting a little tested in. Even live for his first time, he actually did pretty damn good. Black lines all the way down. Dylan can drive the Z. Let's go, Dylan. Drive over the curb if you have to. Ready, set, go. Let's roll. This thing's sketchy. You went from not riding in this to driving it. It's violent though, huh?
Yeah. Well, I rode in it over by the shop.
Or yeah, I guess.
But
and it wasn't turned up like this. I look in the mirror as I look at you and I look in the mirror and the Cobra's just barreling smoke.
oh, yeah, when we came back, I saw your
All right, we're bailing out of here. I did that one burnout, filled up the whole area of smoke. That was crazy. I'm kind of like shocked by the result. There's that last burnout. The road that we've been doing all this on, there's a cop on the side of the freeway. We're out of here. I'm gonna try to short shift this old girl. That's the nice part about this supercharger. Shout out to my wife for towing everything and helping me get all the shots. Dylan and Bree, thank you guys for coming out, helping out, ripping the Z. If you guys enjoy these videos of just random stuff like Cobra YXZ, let me know. I just need help with video ideas. I'm running out. I'm coming up with dumb stuff like racing a Cobra versus a YXZ at this point. Definitely a cool day. Cobra versus YXZ. And nothing broke. This is a good day.